Sounds of Decay 2, Infestation with the Vermin Within. New Titanic thrash? I mean, really new. Like this band is from Northern Germany and they just formed in 2021. I have sneakers older than these guys, but don't be fooled. Despite their squeaky clean, short haired, clean shaven image, they've obviously done the research and crafted a riff crazy, heart pounding sound as impressive as their glowing lime green logo. Stacked with quick strikes in the 3 to 4 minute range, the Vermin Within is practically all muscle and no fat. Vocalist Maurice Circus peppers every song with his old school inspired leonine rasp. The whole thing is a head slamming soundtrack to quicken the pulse for any activity. I mean, the cliche is smashing furniture, but why not polish your Civil War chess set to the sounds of Infestation? Knit a festive sweater? You could effectively sort your grandmother's foot medication to this riff crazy bonanza if you think about it.
Glance across track titles like 1-2 Fuck You and Mind of a Killer, and it's obvious this isn't a collection of Linda Ronstadt covers. The galloping segments are engaging, and the slower breakdowns actually up the intensity level in most of the songs. For example, Use Hate blows up at a neck-breaking overkill style speed, but it's the wrist-snapping mid-tempo segments that make the track stand out as guitarists Pascal Circus and Leonard Ledge color the whole thing with thrilling shred solos. The bass lines of Timo Funk are the main attraction in Death Road, showing off stout grooves as the guitar falls away like prime Anthrax in several segments. But the one we're going to play for you is pure creator-style madness from start to finish. Kill la Treta. Totally mosh-worthy fare that gallops along at cheetah speed until it's time for the guitar solos, and the track smartly downshifts to a mid-tempo pace, scattershot with interesting guitar fills. The drummer is unlisted, but he does a phenomenal job flash-sticking throughout the track. Looking forward to many great things in the future from this exciting new monitor. So why don't you introduce the song?
This is the song we teased. Kill the Traitor.
Kill the traitors! Kill the traitors! Yodeless!
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.